Now that it's just I'm sorry. Uh-oh, the lava's rising. How's it going? Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Abort, abort. Is it this? Oh yeah, the chicken. Yeah, this was an OG area that they added back recently.
Mateo said that's a cat.
Usually people call it a chicken dinosaur, but now it's a cat. Perfect.
Kitty!
Yeah, don't get too close to it. I'll help. I'll grab the egg. Grab the egg. The glorious.
Grab it.
Okay.
Oh.
I think oh, Mateo's dead. Wait, can I move his body?
Hey, no.
Wait, hold up. Wait, I just gotta test. I don't think I can that much. Oh, maybe I can. Uh-oh.
No. Josh!
I'm alive. The chicken is back. Yeah, I mean, yeah, the cat. Not the chicken, the cat is back.
Yes, my cat.
Yes. Mateo's cat. What's up, chicken? Oh, no. Yeah, the umbrella is the best item in the game. Right?
Yes.
Yep. Oh, Mateo, you were right.
See, I told you.
I was joking. But I'm way up in the sky. I'm gonna drop down the egg. Sorry, that was toilet paper.
Dying. Get out of my way! Hey, ow! Get out of my way! I'm trying to get.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Guys, I lost the egg in the mines. I dropped it somewhere. We gotta get the egg. I wonder if you can shoot the ghost lady. Time to find out.
How do we deal with the ghost?
We shoot it.
We don't look at it. Or we shoot it.
I hear something.
That sounds like. Ah!
Where is it?
Josh, chill at it.
Alright, let's go get the egg before it despawns.
How far?
I found the egg.
Yes. Bless for the golden egg.
Yeah, it's right here.
Wow!
I might have dropped it.
Gold mine! Mine!
Josh. My eye.
Wait. Your turn.
I trust you with the golden egg. You're a duck after all. You lay eggs.
Why don't you trust me? What's wrong?
He has experience.
No.
Wait. No, don't do that. Where'd they go?
Oh, shoot. Oh, never mind.
Die! There's a big spider!
We survived. You didn't see anything.
They dropped
We went through walls. Where's Mateo? I think we left him behind.
Why is it so loud?
We're in the servers of Animal Company.
Makes sense.
Yep. What?
Don't destroy it.
No.
What?
Then you're gonna get banned.
Oh. It's okay. At least it's not just me.
Now that it's just
Egg.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Wait, what?
The light, it's gone.
We survived.
Uh-oh, the lava's rising. No, I did not make the jump.
Where'd Mateo go? Mateo, you're not Mary Poppins.
Mateo always has an umbrella for emergencies. I'm gonna try to get up there, but it's gonna be kind of hard. Okay. I'm just gonna see if I could make some quick money.
All the time.
Ooh, they're lighting it up so I can see. Hi, how's it going? Uh-oh. Abort. Hello, Mateo.
I forgot he had it.
Bye.
Alright, the lava's down. Uh-oh.
I'm okay.
I know, it's been open.
Oh, wait, the egg!
I'm gonna teach you guys how to make the best scrambled eggs. Alright, let's make some scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs?
I'll let you do the honors. Hit the RPG bullet. Wait, where'd the egg go?
Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go on a montage.
Guys, I went on a montage.
Josh, where'd you go?
I got the
Wait,
egg.
how'd you get the egg? Hey, how'd you get the egg?
It's top secret. You'll only find out when you watch the video.
We're gonna do it. No, no!
I wanna go. No! I wanted to fry the egg inside the machine.
And I'm still not over 3 mil.
Oh, I'm back. Oh! I didn't do that! Oh my gosh! You super
Whoa. Let's sell him.
Yeah, let's sell him. He'll be worth so much money. Yeah, we sold him. No.
Ah, monster! Kill the monster!
No, please.
Kill it!
He's probably worth so much money.
No, I can guarantee you went in there.
I'm back.
What?
Hey,
It's
where'd
me.
that cyber duck?
I don't know.
Where's that
Cyber duck go?
I don't know.
Yeah, it was worth $0.
Yeah,
We tried finding another one.
Oh, I don't know. I wouldn't know anything about it. Oh yeah, we should play Russian roulette. Also, soon I gotta go do a fashion show in VR. All right, your turn.
Yay!
Wait, actually, no, I gotta shoot at you.
Okay.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Who wants to go first? And then I'll also be playing. I'm just gonna shoot it. All right, pick a number from 1 to 5.
7.
3.
3.
Pick a number from 1 to 5.
Okay. 2. 2.
Ooh, you're lucky.
Pick a number.
5.
3. 4.
Pick a number from 1 to 5.
7. I knew it.
How do you know?
And pick a number.
1.
3.
Number. Oh, bullets in here.
Pick a number. Oh, I think his headset died. All right,
Brandon.
now we can say our goodbyes.
We'll remember you for
Yep.
keep dying in Russian roulette.
Thanks for watching. And yeah.